Ano ang ara sa special letter nga special nga bal mo gusto mo na mabalaan? You know what? These series of letters mean a lot to us. It came a time when Angel and I were disconnected.
Give me that smile. Give me that time. Oh, ain't no waiting. Come on and get it out. No anticipating. You know we're right here. Only sunshine is gonna be mine. So open your mind. Walk right in. 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 Come on and walk right in. Right in. Right in. Ain't no waiting. Come on and get it now. No anticipating. You know we're right here. Only sunshine is gonna be fine. So open up your mind and walk right in.
And it came to mind, how do I make it more special? Sabi ko kasi, nung una ko siyang makita, ambal ko, siya na ni. Paano ko mahambal sa iyang mga luyag ako and that I am sure that she's the one.
Those voices talk to you, and it's hard to blame the things you do. Sometimes they wanna destroy you. You don't wanna let them down.
On our first monthsary, December 8, 2020, it came to me na ma-start na ko hambal siyang gusto ko siya pangasawahon.
Everyone knows. Everyone knows that I love you too much. Everyone knows. Everyone knows that I love you too much.
Sabi ko, how do I ask her outside the conventional, will you marry me? Na utilize ko naman ng letters, and that is how I convey my message to her. Sabi ko, how do I embed that special message kay Angel? And I kept this moment special, parihambal si mo nga. If only na makita mo, every start sa aton letters, I underline a letter of an alphabet. On our first month, it says W. On our second month, it says letter I, and so on. I will send you letters, and each letters nga ihatag ko sa imo means a lot to me, especially when we will going to be life partners. So that's why, if you're going to ask me nga wala ka nagatag letters, because tambal ko, napuno na ang pangalan, and how do I say so? Gindugangan ko, I love you. Ano pagid? I love you. So, ambal ko sa imo, hulat-hulat lang gamay, because the most important letter nga ma-receive mo is today. will notice, every month, may gina-underline ako. And if you will spell that, it will say the phrase, "Will you marry me? Angelica Montero Tianyo."